Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn off auto-download for audio in WhatsApp Web on your PC. If you're tired of your audio files automatically downloading and cluttering up your storage, these steps will help you disable this feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Step 2. On the top of the screen, click on More. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Open Media Auto Download. Step 5. Next to Audio, disable the checkbox. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off the auto download feature for audio files in WhatsApp Web on your PC. This will give you more control over your downloads and help you save storage space. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled the auto download feature for audio files in WhatsApp Web on your PC. Now you can manually choose which audio files to download, giving you a clutter-free experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.